Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to customize or edit, activate your account email and welcome email in BuddyPress in WordPress. So when user create account, so first they will receive activate your account email. When user activate their account, after that they will receive welcome email auto. So we are going to edit it or customize it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see this is our activate your account email and this is our welcome email. So we are going to change it. Now go to dashboard and we are using BuddyPress plugin in WordPress. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see emails and then you see all emails, so click on it. So we are in BuddyPress emails and then you see all emails we have. Now you see welcome, so click on edit and then find activate your account and then you see activate your account email, so click on edit. So we are in welcome email. Now you see site name welcome, so this is our subject, so you can customize this message. Now you see welcome to visit your profile, so you can customize this message according to requirement. Now you see in profile URL edit and then you see situation recipient has successfully activated an account. Now you see multiple scenario and then you see plain text email content. So when you edit this section, then you can edit this section also. Most email clients support HTML email. However, some people prefer to receive plain text email. So you can add same text here in both sections and then click on update. So this is our welcome email. Now go to activate your account email. Now you see we already changed some text. So this is our subject and then you see thanks for registering. So this is our message and this is our URL and then you see this is our key. Also you see situation recipient as registered for an account. So this email work according to situation. When we select, also add same message here and then click on update. So you can customize, welcome and activate your account email in BuddyPress according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.